be starting something new now. Okay, so what I have been doing, where I've been making the video lessons and stuff like that, I might make one or two as we're going along. We'll kind of see how it shapes out. As you already know, I think, uh, we're going to be doing a situation where there's a curriculum about bees, okay, that we're going to be doing where each of the science classes are all going to be doing the same curriculum. So it's kind of nice. Up till now, it's sort of been, different teachers doing different things. So this is going to be a little bit more sort of coordinated. If you happen to have any other kids in your family that are also taking science. So it's sixth, seventh, and eighth are all going to be doing it. Now, eighth grade might have some differences than say sixth and seventh. That's still kind of to be determined. But generally speaking, the curriculum is going to be pretty similar, if not virtually identical. We'll have some different personalized little changes and things like that. But I do want to say this is kind of an exciting thing because bees are really cool. Okay, they just are. And when you think of the complexity of the kinds of things they can do, the way they live, when the more you learn about them, the more amazing they become because they got this teeny little brain and yet they can do these really sophisticated things. And nobody really knows how that works. Science is working on trying to figure out how that could be. It's genetically programmed somehow, but it's neurologically driven, right? Their little brains have to tell them what to do, but it's their genes that have to tell the brains how to wire up to have those kinds of behaviors. It's really pretty fascinating, and a lot of that is still research to be done, But they're a lot more, let me say, complex than you might realize. They're also way more important than you may realize. And there's some serious issues involving ecology and preservation of bees because they're really super important. And so what we're going to start out learning a bit about bees, how they survive, what their sort of little societies like and things of that sort. And it's going to start getting into how pollination works. So there's a little bit about reproduction because, as you know, the bees are important for pollinating the plants, right? And we're going to end up getting to some ecological issues where there's some serious concern about bees and some perhaps human behavior is affecting bee populations. So we got to make sure that as our species, that we protect that species too. And so we'll be getting into that throughout from now to the end of the school year. Okay, so this is going to be a lot of fun, I think, and probably a little bit less actual work than you have been doing. I'll probably have some other little projects and stuff like that. Speaking of which, there is going to be, at least, for my class, a little project that I'd like you to also do, just a short thing where you're going outside. But that's going to be a separate assignment. So we got 2 assignments today. One is this one, and the second is to go outside and look at some bees. So I'll get to that in the assignment part. Anyway, do the sheet, fill in the answers and stuff like that. And okay, here we go. Bees.